Welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at ways to fix a microphone that isn't working in Windows 10, whether it's a separate mic or part of a headset. Unfortunately, I won't be able to advise on any physical damage, and that will probably be the best starting point. Check that your microphone and its wires are not broken, and if you're confident that the microphone should work, we'll now look at some of the possible solutions. The first thing to check is that you are connecting the headset or microphone to the correct port, and if you can, it is worth trying another port if you have the option. There could be more ports on the back of your PC if it's a desktop. If a different port didn't help, we'll now check that Windows is detecting your microphone and that it is enabled. This should help confirm whether the problem is within Windows or with the microphone itself. To check, first go to the sound settings. You can get here through the main settings page, or by right-clicking on the sound icon in the taskbar and then selecting Open Sound Settings. In here, find the Input section and have a look below where it says Choose your input device. If your microphone appears to be working in here, then the issue is likely within the software you are using, so check the audio settings of your program to see if it is selected there. It may also be worth checking to see if you are allowing your microphone to be used. To check, search microphone in the search bar and then select Microphone Privacy Settings. Ensure that the box is checked to allow your microphone to be used. Now back in the sound settings, if you don't see your microphone in this box, then click on it and choose it from the list if it is there. If it still doesn't show, we'll now look in the sound control panel. You can get here by clicking on the blue sound control panel link on the right of this page. Click on the recording tab at the top and you should now see a list of all the microphones connected. Make sure you can view disabled and disconnected devices by right-clicking and checking the boxes. You should now be able to see your microphone on the list, and you can right-click on it and select Enable and set as default if you wish. If your microphone is labelled as disconnected, then Windows isn't detecting it, so double-check that it is connected properly. If Windows is detecting your microphone but it isn't working properly, make sure that it is not muted. This may be on the mic itself or within Windows. To check within Windows, double-click on your microphone in the recording section of the sound control panel and then go to the Levels tab. Ensure that the mic level is not set to 0 or too low to be able to pick up any noise. Also, in the Advanced tab, uncheck both the boxes under where it says Exclusive Mode. Remember to click Apply or OK to save these changes. If you're still unable to use your microphone or it doesn't work correctly, we'll now move on to some more solutions. We'll start by updating or rolling back the device drivers. To do this, go to the Device Manager. You can search for it in the search bar. Your microphone or headset should be in the Audio Inputs or Outputs section near the top. Click on that to expand it and then right-click on your headset or microphone and select Properties. Now go to the Driver tab, which should be the second option. In here, you can first try updating your drivers unless the issue has only just occurred since a driver update, in which you can try the rollback driver option. To update a driver after selecting the update driver option, you first have to choose either a manual or automatic search. Try searching for driver updates automatically, and if that fails, have a look online on the manufacturer's website for the latest version and then install it from there. If this doesn't work, you can also try uninstalling the device from here and then try it again after reconnecting it. If your microphone uses a 3.5mm port, for example a combined headphone and mic port if using a headset, then we can also try updating the drivers of Realtek HD audio. To do this, go back to the Device Manager and this time look for Sound, Video and Game Controllers and expand it. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver and then choose Browse My Computer for driver software. Now click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In here, make sure the Show Compatible Hardware box is checked and choose one of the options. Feel free to try installing each of the options if they do not work, and you may have to restart your PC when you complete the installation. Next, we'll try troubleshooting the device to see if Windows can find any problems with it. You can get here by clicking on the icon in the Start menu. Now click Update and Security and then troubleshoot from the options on the left. Scroll down until you find the recording audio option and click on it and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Allow Windows to then look for problems and follow any suggestions it gives. If the problem has only just occurred since a recent update or new software installation, then uninstall any software that could have caused the problem. If it has only just started since a recent Windows update, then you can try uninstalling that update by first going to the control panel. Search for it to get there. Then click Programs and then View Installed Updates in blue. Find the Windows update that caused the microphone to stop working and right-click it, and then select Uninstall. Note that you only need to do this if you know the Windows update caused the problem. The next thing I recommend doing is to search your specific make and model of microphone to see if there are any current problems or incompatibilities with it. There should be specific solutions to follow online for those problems, and you can always contact the manufacturer if you still can't find a fix. Those are all the solutions I have, but as always, I will try to keep the description updated with any new fixes I manage to find, and if you find any solutions in the future, it will be great if you could return to this video and post them in the comments to help others. Hopefully I was able to help you today. If I did, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.